Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes 10th class computer class. 10th class we had finished our first unit digital documentation in part B. Now our second unit will be start electronic spreadsheet advanced. Electronic spreadsheet, all of you are familiar what is the meaning of electronic spreadsheet. It is the most professional advanced spreadsheet software used by a large number of people across the world. It allows us to store, organize and manipulate data. It provides different data analysis tools that help us to analyze a large amount of data easily and quickly. This is electronic spreadsheet. It is normally known as MS Excel. This is our second unit about MS Excel or electronic spread unit. In this our first session is analyzing data in a spreadsheet. In last class we just read how to calculate, how to sum, how to subtraction, how to fill up the data in MS Excel. In this we will learn some advanced options. In this first option is consolidating data. Consolidating data means how to combine data in a singular sheet. Like we have a different data about sales in 2020, about sales in 2021. So how we combined our data in a singular sheet? It will come in the consolidate data. Consolidate data means combining data from different sources into one place. For example, we have sales data from 4 different journal heads in 4 different worksheets. In such a case, to analyze data, we need to collect everything into one sheet. It will become a tedious and tiresome task if you combine it manually using the traditional way, copy and paste. Excel provides the consolidate feature that let us collect the data with minimal effort. It selects the content of the cell from several worksheets and maintain the collected data in a master worksheet. In this, if we will do in copy paste, it will time consuming. So MS Excel provides us a option collate. In this, it is an example. We have a sheet. First sheet in the sales year of year 2020 and second is first quarter sales of 2021. Now we are going to make it consolidate sheet. So what we do? First of all we will start our workbook. In this we will enter data on sheet first about first quarter sales of the year 2020 like this, and we will enter our data sales of year 2021 in sheet 2. Now what we do? We will combine our data. So what we do? We will create on sheet 3 tab. Click on sheet 3 tab. Rename it like consolidate data of the year 2020 and 21. After that we will click on the data tab and click on the option consolidate. Consolidate dialog box will open. In this it will provide function. What we are going to do? We are going to do sum of some sales conditions. So after sum it will ask references. References means our sale addresses from where to where. In this our sales address is B3 to D10. In this it will fill up B3 to D10 and similar like for sheet 2, and after that we will click on the add. After clicking on the add, it will create our consolidate data of year sheet on sheet 3 tab. This is our consolidate. It is total of 2 tabs, 350 and 456. It is 806. It is the total of 2 sheets. So it is consolidate data. Our next topic in this creating subtotal. Subtotal means we just give a totals, whole total, but sometimes we want some totals of any related topics. Subtotal feature of Excel is used for generating subtotal to summarize data. It helps us to manage analysis and extract specific information from the row of related data. It is a good practice to use sorted data while applying the subtotal command. This is our sales report. In this it will show Aniket October, Aniket November, and Dinesh October, Dinesh November, and after that Whenever we click on the total, it will give us a full total of a sheet. Now we are going to do subtotal for each. On this, open the worksheet, contain the sales data or enter the data. After that, select the desired range of sales. You need to select. After that, we will click on the data tab. In this, subtotal option will give some 8 subtotals, and subtotals about what? Sales. After doing this, it will create like this. This is subtotal of everyone. Aniket total, Dinesh total, Kavita total, and everyone. So it will create on each changes in the list box. In the add subtotal to list box, select the column containing the value that we will subtotals. This is our subtotal option. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.